In this version of Dezignworks TV, we're going to be interfacing Dezignworks with Wildfire 4.0. The goal of this video is to show you how easily you can capture freeform shapes and then build a parametric part to adapt to it. We're first going to go ahead and create alignment. The nice thing about having a portable digitizer device is you can take it out to the unit and actually create alignment anywhere you want. You don't need a special table or anything. So we're going to create alignment that's actually going to be normal to the ProE interface. Once you create that alignment, our goal is to capture that complex surface and then go ahead and build a bracket to fit it and then put some holes for mounting. So we're going to select the ProE plane and then use the Dezignworks tools. You notice on the right side a new toolbar has been added, and those are your Dezignworks tools. They match all your ProE sketch tools. So we're going to outline a little bit so you can see where we're working. We're going to grab that bottom shape. It's actually going to take the arm, just take some points along the bottom contour so you can actually see their working area. Now we're going to go ahead and use the plane tool in ProE, and Dezignworks is adaptable to scan through planes inside ProE. So basically what we're going to do is put 3 or 4 planes across the area we want to work, and we're going to turn the arm into like scan mode. So now that you see we have those planes, we're going to use Dezignworks lock plane tool, and basically you can set a minimum distance, and he can actually select those planes right from the ProE tree, and we're going to use that tool to actually go scan through those planes. Once they're selected, you simply keep the probe in contact with the part. So now you'll see he hit the button once and he's just scanning. You can make the minimum distance whatever you want. I think in this case we made it about 1/8 of an inch. So we're capturing the cross sections of the contour shape. Then we'll utilize the ProE surface tools to build a surface. Again, all the features that are created with Dezignworks are native ProE features. They can be modified, changed, right from the ProE feature tree. So again, you can scan one plane or hundreds of planes. You simply are keeping the probe in contact with the part. You can back up, you can overlap, stop, start, rotate, whatever you want to do. Once you think you have enough data, you go ahead and say go ahead and build it. Now what you're going to notice in the feature tree of ProE, you'll see where it says sketch 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all native curves. You can edit those individually, pull, tug, whatever you want to do. Now we're going to go ahead and use the ProE, one of the ProE surface tools to create that surface. And again, the key feature of this is these are all native ProE entities. You're not importing or anything like that. Now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and actually just pull out a plane with ProE, and like you would normally, we're going to draw on it and actually go ahead and extrude it up to that surface. Because what we're doing here is we're making this mount that we want the back of it to match the surface perfectly, but the face facing us, we want it to be flat so we can put some other things on it. Somewhere maybe like a license plate bracket. So now that you have all that, we went and sketched on that plane, and we can say up to the surface we created. Because again, everything we create is a native ProE entity. Now you'll see your complex shape. So if you want to go ahead and we can maybe put some mounting holes in it or something, we can do that. We went ahead and hid the original one because we don't need it no more. So again, we can just pick that face. And now we're just using the standard ProE tools to work on it. Because you see how fast we grab that shape. That's the key, is how fast you can grab entities and build off of them. These will pretendly, be our mounting holes, so we can do a cut back to those. Then you see how fast we can make that bracket. For more in-depth, tune into Dezignworks next week or contact our office at 704-660-5100, and we can go through a full demo. We appreciate your time. Thanks.